Anyway, I looked around on Robot World and checked out the Roborock QR 798. It seems like a pretty sweet robot vacuum/mop combo if you're into that sort of thing. It has a self-cleaning dock that even washes and dries the mop pads. It's pretty crazy. Essentially, you could go weeks without having to touch it as long as you don't have messy floors. It also has pretty good suction power, so pet hair and stuff on hard floors is no issue. It even has this feature where it automatically raises the mop when it detects a rug. The navigation seems pretty good with the laser mapping. It even has this feature where you can set no-go zones and stuff. It's not perfect, of course. It might run into things occasionally, and the mop is no magic solution for sticky floors. Some people mention that the replacement parts might be a little pricey or harder to find since it's a newer model. Price-wise, it's not cheap, but if you want a vacuum that basically does all the work for you, then it's kind of worth it.